Welcome back, where we break down the technical details to help you create the perfect spaces in your home. In today's video, we'll explore the essential techniques and key criteria you need when selecting and fixing tiles for floors and dado works. Tiles are one of the most important materials in any home renovation, and if you get the wrong type or application, you could be looking at costly repairs down the line. So stick around as we get into the nitty-gritty of tile selection and fixing. Tiles are made from various materials, and choosing the right one starts with understanding the type of environment you're working with. Ceramic is one of the most common and affordable options. It's made from natural clay that's fired at high temperatures, making it highly versatile for walls and floors, though it's generally softer than porcelain. They work best in dry, low-traffic areas like kitchens or bathrooms. A more durable option, porcelain tiles are made from a denser material. They're fired at higher temperatures, making them extremely hard and less porous than ceramic tiles. This makes them perfect for high-traffic floors like entryways, kitchens, or living rooms. They're also more resistant to water and stains, which is why they're ideal for wet areas like bathrooms. Natural stone tiles like marble, granite, and slate offer unparalleled beauty and luxury. However, they're porous and require sealing to avoid staining. Marble and granite are commonly used for floors in high-end homes, while slate offers a rustic, earthy look and is commonly used for outdoor areas or bathrooms. Glass tiles are used mainly for backsplashes, adding a reflective, shiny look. They're easy to clean but fragile, so they're not the best choice for flooring. Their transparency can also add depth to your design when layered over a contrasting colored adhesive. Tile size can greatly affect the perception of space. Here's how to think about it. Large tiles, measuring 12 inches by 12 inches and above, are perfect for creating a more seamless, modern look. They minimize grout lines, making spaces feel bigger and cleaner. However, large tiles require more precise installation, as uneven surfaces will show more easily. Smaller tiles are often used for intricate patterns, like mosaics or decorative borders. They're great for walls or small spaces, but they'll require more grout lines, which can make cleaning harder. However, they give you more flexibility for designs in challenging spaces like showers. Tile finish. Matte finish. Ideal for high-traffic areas and floors, matte tiles are slip-resistant and easy to clean. They offer a natural look and are great for areas that require better grip, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Glossy finish. Glossy tiles reflect light and give off a sleek, polished look. They're often used for walls in kitchens and bathrooms to give the space a shiny, fresh appearance. However, they can be slippery on floors and harder to maintain in areas exposed to dirt and grease. Textured finish. These are commonly used for non-slip surfaces in wet areas like bathrooms and outdoor spaces. Textured tiles, like those with a rough stone finish, offer superior grip, but you'll want to ensure they're easy to clean if used indoors. When selecting tiles for floors, it's important to consider the traffic load and surface durability. For areas like hallways, living rooms, and kitchens, you'll want tiles that are durable, easy to clean, and resistant to wear. Porcelain and ceramic tiles are the most suitable for these areas because they're resilient and require minimal maintenance. If you prefer a natural stone look, consider options like travertine or slate. Just remember, these require sealing for stain protection. Bathrooms need tiles that are not only durable but also water-resistant and slip-resistant. Porcelain tiles are great because of their water resistance. Always check the COF, or coefficient of friction, rating on tiles for bathrooms. Aim for a rating of at least 0.60 for floor safety. Tiles used for dado work, or wall cladding, need to balance aesthetics with function. Walls in bathrooms or kitchens are exposed to moisture, so waterproofing is essential. For kitchen backsplashes or dado works, ceramic or porcelain tiles with a glossy finish are perfect. They are resistant to heat, stains, and moisture, and the shiny surface makes it easier to wipe off splashes. Mosaics can also add a creative flair. Ceramic and porcelain tiles work well here too, but focus on ensuring they're moisture resistant. For a more luxurious finish, you could use marble or granite tiles on walls, but don't forget they need sealing to prevent water damage. Outdoor spaces need special attention when it comes to tiling. Outdoor tiles need to withstand extreme weather conditions, so they should be frost-resistant, durable, and able to handle wet conditions without becoming slippery. When it comes to outdoor flooring, tiles for outdoor patios should be tough enough to endure heavy foot traffic, UV exposure, and water. Porcelain tiles rated for outdoor use are best. Textured or anti-slip finishes are critical to prevent accidents. Surface preparation is key. Proper surface preparation ensures that the tiles will bond well and last long. Clean the surface. Remove all old adhesive, grout, dust, or debris from the surface. Use a cleaning solution that removes grease or oils, as these will prevent adhesive from sticking. For extra stubborn stains, use a degreaser or heavy-duty cleaner. Level the surface. Uneven surfaces can cause tiles to crack or shift. Use a self-leveling compound to fill any low spots and smooth out the surface. Check for levelness using a laser level or spirit level before applying adhesive. Apply primer. In some cases, especially when working on porous surfaces like drywall or concrete, applying a primer helps the adhesive bond better. It also creates a moisture barrier in wet areas. Mark your layout. Mark a center line and work out from there to ensure a balanced tile layout. This prevents awkwardly cut tiles at the edges. If you're using large tiles, dry lay them first to check the fit and pattern before applying adhesive. Mixing the adhesive. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for mixing. For thin-set mortar, add water gradually, ensuring the mix is smooth and lump-free. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the chemicals to activate before using. Spreading adhesive. Use a notch trowel to spread adhesive across the surface, ensuring an even coat. For walls, you can use a smaller notch trowel, but for floors, use a larger one for better coverage. Apply only as much as you can tile over within 15 to 20 minutes. Step 2. Set the tiles. Pressing tiles in. Place the tile down firmly and twist it slightly to help it settle into the adhesive. Use spacers to maintain even grout lines. If you're working with larger tiles, use a rubber mallet to tap them into place and ensure they are level. Cutting tiles. If necessary, use a wet saw or tile cutter to cut tiles to fit corners or edges. Always measure carefully before cutting. For curved or intricate cuts, a tile nipper can help you achieve precision. Step 3. Grouting and finishing. Grouting. Once the adhesive is set, usually 24 hours, remove the spacers and apply grout using a rubber float. Spread the grout diagonally to fill the gaps, then remove excess with the float. Wipe off the surface with a damp sponge before the grout dries to avoid haze. Sealing. After the grout has dried, you may want to apply a sealer to protect the surface from stains. This is especially important for natural stone tiles. By following these steps, you'll be able to select the right tiles and apply them correctly to create a durable, beautiful surface in any room. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave any questions you have in the comments. Until next time, happy tiling!